Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai, your subject teacher of maths, and today we have to discuss about data handling. Firstly, we have to know what is data handling. You can say that there is so firstly you have to learn what is data handling. So there is an example you can see here that there is many class and there is number of students and there are some proper class first, class second, class third, class fourth, class fifth. There are some proper classes and there are number of students and then that is students, the number of students present. Okay, so what is the in class first there are 40 students and 27 were present. Okay, and in class second there are 26 students and 24 are present, and in class third there are 27 students and 27 are present, and in class fourth there are 25 students and 21 are present, and in class fifth there are 28 students and 26 are present. You can see here that there is a picture. You can see here that the given list shows the total number of students in classes 1 to 5 and a student present on the annual day. And now you have to answer the following question. First question, there is some question, in which class are the all students are present. You can see here that in class third all students are present. Okay. The next question is, which class has the most number of students? Which class has most number of students? You can see here that in class first there is most number of students. Okay, in class first there are most number of students. And now how many students are present in classes 4 and 5? How many students are present in classes 4 and 5? In class 4 there are 21 students and class 5 there are 26 students. When we add it, we have to find 47 students. So there are 47 students in class 4th and 5th. Okay, and how many students are there in all 5 classes? There are how many students are there in all 5 classes? So we have to add in 27 plus 24 plus 27 plus 21 plus 26, and that is 136. And next question is, how many students are absent in all that day? How many students are absent on all that day? 3, 3 to 6, 3 to 5, 5 4, 9, and 9 to 11. There are 11 students are absent. Okay, and now we have to learn about pictogram. We have to learn about what is pictogram. Firstly, we have to know about pictogram. Okay, firstly we have to know what is pictogram. Then you can say that you can use symbols to represent numbers. This is called pictogram. And pictures are commonly used as symbols in a pictogram, and it is easy to read and understand a pictogram. And now there is an example given to show the pictogram, and there is favorite food, and there is favorite food, and there is favorite food and number of students. Favorite food and number of students. There is favorite food and number of students. That is idli sandwich rice, idli sandwich, rice, curry and paratha. Sorry, rice, curd and paratha. Okay, that is favorite food of some students. And now we have to find the number of their how many students in each type of food have. Okay, so in idli there are 6 students, and in sandwich there are 4 students, and in rice there are 10 students, quad there are 9 students and paratha there are 6 students. And now we have to reading a pictograph, and this data can be shown by the following pictograph. And this data can be shown by the following pictograph. There is a pictograph, and there is a table, that is favorite food of the students of class 3rd A. And now there is some data given here, and now that is idli. For idli there are 6 students, so we have to make 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now there is some sandwich. There are 4 students in sandwich. There are 4 students sandwich. There are 4 students in sandwich. There are 4 students, and that is there are 4 students. Okay, and in rice there are 10 students, and in rice there are 10 students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, there are 10 students in rice, and there are 9 students for curd. See, you are the curd 9 students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and now in paratha there are 6 students, and in paratha there are 6 students. Paratha there are 6 students. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And now we have to find, there is each smiley stand for 1 student, and each smiley stand for 1 student, and symbols that represent data. Symbols that represent data. Symbols that represent data. Okay, that are the symbols that represent. There are symbols that represent data, and now there is some that this data represent. In this data, for 1 smiley stand for 1 student, and now we have to learn, and that is description of the symbols. Okay, and the description of symbols, each student stand for 1 smiley. And now there are some questions also. What are these? What does the pictograph shows? Pictograph shows favorite food of the student class 3rd A. And which food is the favorite of most of the student? Which food is the favorite of most of the student? That is rice. And which food is the favorite of the least number of the student? That is sandwich. And how many students are there in class 3rd A? So that is 35 students. And now there is another example. Another example of it, and represent data using tally marks. Represent data using tally. And now this picture is representing data using tally marks. There is an example. 42 students of a class were asked to name their favorite color, and a data collected is given below. Rate a tally chart and answer the question. There is a tally chart, and you have to answer the following question. how many students have blue as their favorite color? So there are 6 students that have blue as their favorite color. Which color is the favorite of the most number of students? That is 10, and that is color red. And which color is the favorite of the least number of students? That is green, and the number of students is 3. Okay. And how many students have yellow as their favorite color? That is 7. And which color is the favorite of only 5 students? That is orange. And this is bar graph, and this example is given here. That is a bar graph, and this bar graph, a bar graph uses rectangular bars. A bar graph represent rectangular bars to represent data, and each bar in this bar graph shows the number of students who have chosen an activity and studied and fill in the blank. Most students have chosen dance, that is number of students is 10. And how many students have chosen art and yoga? So in art there are 6 students, and in yoga there are 9 students, that is 15 students. And the least number of students have chosen karate. The least number of the students have chosen karate. And how many students have chosen music? So there are 8 students that have chosen music as their favorite subject. Thank you. Have a nice day.